Hi there, I'm Abiodun Damilola, and I want to use this video to especially thank Oshiku Tech for its WhatsApp automation service. Like its WhatsApp automation service has helped me to be able to 10x my affiliate marketing sales. In a space of 2 months, I've been able to do over $5,000 as an affiliate on DigiStem. Before now, I usually save my WhatsApp contacts manually, and it's kind of stressful. It wastes a lot of my time. But after the service, after the automation, right now I'm able to reply chats automatically. I'm able to save WhatsApp contact automatically, even without touching my phone or even using any phone. And more to that, I'm able to reply chats and mention the name of the contacts that I'm replying to due to this automation. So I'm recommending Oshiku Tech to anyone, any business owner that is looking to automate its WhatsApp. It will help you save a lot of time, reduce stress, and even help you 10x your sales. Like right now, I'm able to close sales even while in class. Everything is automatic. Like that is super good. I recommend it any day, anytime. And not just that, its customer service is top notch. You want to work with him, get his course, and even message him so that he can help you set it up as well. So thank you so much, your technical check. I really appreciate it.